This is Tilak. Welcome back to our VBCS tutorial. We have completed that create, update, delete of the child component, that's period. And last time we discussed how can we create, when we are creating it, we can also create the period. That the originally what we did was when the statement ID is not there or if statement ID is empty, we cannot create the period. The logic we thought about that is whenever we are creating it, rather than going back to that the parent base, that is the manage statement, why we can't behave the page like a update. Okay, so how do we do that? Now this is the button basically like now when you are pressing it saves and returning back to the parent page. Now let's go back to the chain. How does it do that? Now there's a two way when you are updating it, that's fine, is working. When you are creating it, it is basically creating the variable, then the file and the notification, then going back. Now we delete this part. Now we are not going back. Now what are we going to do here is we are going to assign certain things. Okay, what are we assigning? First of all, we are changing that the create, this is we are putting that to false. So basically that the operation is done. The create statement chain in progress is no more true. So the work is done. Okay. Now then we are going to the current mode, CRUD mode, that we are making this update. So we are going to be in update mode. Now there we are going to the coming to that the statement. The statement is what? Okay, the statement asks now the name. There's no ID. Now we'll come to that this one. Create statement, the body, the result coming from after the update. What is the result? The result is the result. We are putting the result into this part. So the result is done. Now what is the statement ID? We populate the statement ID to here. Now what? Okay. Now whatever we did, the statement ID we populated, the statement, the record which we populated with whatever the return from that the creation part. Then the CRUD mode we change to update. Then this is we are completing that. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, I'm going there. I'm running this update. I'm just okay. Now let me go to the create part. New test. Okay, that's all. I can't do anything. Let me have a save. Okay. Now the statement is saved. Now this is opened up. New test period. Whatever the period is here. Whatever the period end of the period is here. Submit. Okay, done. Now let me see whether I can save this part. This is what I don't know how what is happening here. Anyway, that we can look at the what is stopping that. We can debug that. We can stopping that. But overall, we have done what we want to do. That this we look at back some other time. Like wait, it's not. This is happening. What is failing? I don't know. We have to look at some. There's some kind of a variable. Something we have to update that to be sure. So basically, we can do a create and update together. So now we can go back here. Now if you are coming back to update, let's see whether we have, yeah, we have everything here. So perfectly is working fine. Oh, yeah. Now we are doing that. Probably we can save it again. The only thing is we have to see that what stopping it. That is the only thing we have to see that. Okay. So basically, whatever we thought it's working fine. When you are creating it, you also can create the period. Okay. Bye. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, bye. See you in the next lesson.